a condo in St Augustine Beach, also known as Crescent Beach. We are craning down the new replacement valve, which is a 6-inch U-shaped backflow preventer, reduced pressure. You can kind of see it. And we just craned her down off our crane. Started out in the back of the truck. We'll be disassembling her in just a minute and reinstalling her. Here's our one that we're replacing, the old rusty. Ocean has taken a toll on her. Like I said, the 6-inch backflow preventer. ASAP Plumbing, Jacksonville, Florida, St. Augustine, Florida. Our phone number is 904-346-1266, 904-346-1266. And like I said, here's the backflow that we